Hello, this is Mr. Greenwood, and welcome to our exciting journey into the world of technology. This is a project-based unit where myself and Mr. Chisholm combine his curriculum of computer science with mine of school library and researching. Our main goal is to curate a learning community over the next few weeks of instruction, collaboration, and independent learning, making connections and exceeding expectations. So what does that mean? This means as you go through each lesson, you will be gathering information which will build knowledge bits and develop teamwork skills. You will have a wealth of resources at your fingertips throughout this. I'm sure you're familiar with our Destiny page, library homepage with learning links. First, we're going to have a mini lesson today on device knowledge. We'll go over digital responsibility, computer networks, databases, cybersecurity, and we're going to talk about programming and coding with Scratch. Everyone has received one of these papers. This is a thought web. And your job here in the next 3 minutes is to come up with 4 goals. Don't worry about anything here. I just want you to establish 4 goals. This is what we're going to be learning about. I want you to think about some goals that you would like to set for yourself. What would you like to learn from this? Now that you've filled out your goals, we're going to talk about post-evaluation at the end of the whole experience. You're going to do 2 things for us. Number 1, you're going to make a 20-second flip video evaluation of your goals. You're going to pick a partner to video your product in a brief example of what you've learned. These are some of the pieces of tech integration or technology we're going to use for your learning. First, we have digital responsibility and internet safety. In this course, we're going to learn how to be smart, safe, and respectful online. Think of it as learning the rules of the road, but for the internet highway. We're going to talk about privacy and avoiding dangers online and being a positive digital citizen who makes healthy choices. We're going to explore what it means to have a digital footprint. We're going to learn how these footprints can tell a story about you and why we make sure that the story is positive. We're going to touch in a little bit about cyberbullying. That'll be our digital responsibility and internet safety lesson. Ever wondered how computers talk to one another or how the internet works? This course will unveil the magic behind networks with fun and activities like mapping on our own mini network and understanding how data zips around the world. We'll start by understanding the basics, learning about networks. Think of it as a city's transportation system, but for data. Think of trains and buses, how they move about from one to another. You're going to be network engineers. We're going to create our own mini network in this class, and you're going to learn about routers and switches and the traffic signals and the roundabouts of the digital world. Databases. Databases are like digital treasure chests, storing heaps of information. We're going to use tools like Oracle, Apex, Microsoft Azure Data Studio, and we're going to learn how to store, organize, and retrieve data. It's like being a digital librarian with the keys to a world of knowledge. Also think of a database like a closet. You have sections for shirts, pants, and shoes. You can put anything in databases, so we're going to do some exercises about the basic uses and production of a database. You're going to create your own mini database, maybe a collection of favorite books, movies, or even a class list of people, maybe here in the class or in the school. It's not about storing data, we're going to retrieve data. You'll learn how to ask a database for questions, such as queries and how to get answers. Cybersecurity. We're going to learn about keeping information safe from online threats. Talk about the importance of using strong passwords and even dive into the exciting world of encryption. It's like being a tech superhero. In the basics of cybersecurity, we're going to talk about protecting our information online. What are some of the steps we need to do? We're going to talk about making strong passwords. You're going to learn how it scrambles our information to keep it safe from prying eyes. We're going to embark on this journey to become guardians of our digital universe. Last but not least, Scratch, an original product. We're going to dive into the world of programming. Think of Scratch as your digital canvas where you can paint ideas into reality using code. In this course, you'll step into the shoes of a programmer, but with a twist of creativity and fun. You'll learn how to create your own interactive games, make animations that tell a story, and even design unique products. This is where you're going to be paired with somebody to come up with an original product, a story, an animation, something with purpose, and you'll be graded on that with a rubric scale, which we'll get into. You'll learn coding basics that's engaging and enjoyable. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the basics of programming, but will have created some amazing products of your own. Let's gear up for adventure. Let's break a mental sweat. My brain is full. Okay, yes, we want it to be full. We want it to grow. We want you to give your best. Let's create, code, and have a whole lot of fun. Each of these courses is designed to empower you with the skills and knowledge for the digital age, whether it's being safe online or understanding the backbone of the internet. We're going to roll up our sleeves. So you ready? We are here to guide you every step of the way, Mr. Chisholm and I. Let's get ready to learn, explore, and create. We're going to see you in the classes. Thanks.